Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious cabbage soup with vegetables that also helps you lose weight. Imagine that. And we're going to use our Instant Pot to do it. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our cabbage soup with vegetables, we're going to need a cabbage. So I already cut this in half, and I already peeled off some of these leaves. And you can save these and make like stuffed cabbage, or you can use them in your soup if you want to. Just chop them up. But right now, we got half a cabbage, and all we have to do is core it out just slightly. Okay. Flip it over, and we'll just chop it up. Big chunks. Just like that. Okay. Let's get a bowl. Put it all in the bowl. And now we gotta chop up some celery. Put that in a bowl. Get another piece, chop it up. Celery adds nice flavor and color too. Yep. Alright, we'll put that in there. Okay, now we chop up a carrot. Alright, we're going to have to peel these a little bit though. Yeah, we'll give these a little peel. Now we'll just chop them up. Put them in the bowl. Cut them on an angle if you want. Alright, we'll put them in the bowl. Yeah, in the soup today I thought I would use one of these. A poblano pepper. They're mildly hot and they'll cook down a little bit and give the soup a nice flavor. Put them in the bowl. Now we're going to slice up this red pepper. It's only about a good quarter of a red pepper. We'll just add a little bit of extra color there. Put that in a bowl. Okay, let's chop this onion up. maybe quarter it. There you go. Now we gotta put that in a bowl. Where'd that piece go? I don't know. There it is. Okay. That's our onions. Put them aside. Now we'll just cut up some green onion. This always makes it taste good. Kind of looks nice in there too. Alright. Gonna put that in a bowl. While we're at it, we'll just cut up another one. Use that for maybe a garnish. Can't never have too many green onions, I guess. When you're cooking in the kitchen, they always go good on almost anything. Where'd that one go? I don't know. Yeah, that looks tasty, and we didn't even cook it yet. Chop up a few spinach leaves. Coarsely. Leave a couple of them whole there. And we'll put them in a bowl. About half a cup. Yeah, it's time for our spices. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. That looks good. Now all we have to do is add all this to our Instant Pot and we get it set up ready to cook. Okay, let's open our Instant Pot lid and we'll just have to add our cabbage. Now, we add all our vegetables, all our chopped peppers, green peppers, carrots, everything in there. Just put everything in the pot. Now we add our onions. Put everything in there. Now we add 2 cups of vegetable stock, 3 altogether, so there's the third one, 3rd cup. And now we add our spices. And we just give that a little stir. Add a few spinach leaves. Add some diced tomatoes. Add some tomato paste. Add some green onion. Give that a little stir. Okay, now all we have to do is cover it. and set it. And now we just set our Instant Pot to pressure cook for 15 minutes on high and hit start. Now we're going to cook this for 15 minutes and then we're going to do a quick release. And it should be done. So I'll bring you back when it starts to cook. Yeah, it's on its last little indicator of preheating. So it won't be long now before it comes up to pressure and seals. I'll bring you back when it starts to seal. Instant Pot's getting ready to seal, I think. It just sealed, so it should start to cook pretty soon. And we should see 15 minutes on the clock. And there it is. We have 15 minutes on the clock. And I'll bring you back when it's just about done. Yeah, now that we got like 13 minutes on the clock, I think it's time for maybe something cold to drink. That sounds good. Looks like we got 1 minute left on the clock. And it'll be done cooking. Then we can release the pressure. Do a quick release. And we'll take a look at it together. And there it is, cook time's done. And all we have to do is cancel and do a quick release. And I'll show you that. Now we just hit this little valve back here to do a quick release, let all steam out. Okay, the pin drop. Alright, let's take a look inside. Watch your eyes, it probably steam. Oh yeah. Can you see? Can you see? Alright. Oh yeah, that looks good. Alright. Okay, let's get some of that out of there. Put that in a bowl. Looks good. Get a little bit of broth here. Okay. Still steamy. Okay. I'll give you a better shot at that. See how that looks. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious cabbage soup with carrots, onions, celery, green poblano peppers, mildly hot, red peppers, and our old-time favorite, cabbage. Definitely a lot of cabbage in there. Tomatoes and all those great spices. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there. I mean, oh yeah, it's beautiful. I can't wait to get into that. Yeah, now I already cleaned up the kitchen a little bit as I went, so I don't need to do anything. I can just get into my cabbage soup. That sounds good. Yeah, I just gotta have another little taste. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh yeah, I wish you could taste that. with all them spices in there. That is so good. So good. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you. I bought an Instant Pot lid for the Instant Pot insert, so that if you're making stews, or in this case, we were making cabbage soup. So you could use this lid and put it right on the pot and take it to your neighbors and share it. Now, that sounds good. This lid fits the pot perfectly. I'll have to show you. Let's take it out. Show you what's in here. It's a nice lid. It's got a little vent hole, and it fits on the pot right here. Fits right on. Beautiful fit. And this pot here is it's got a thick bottom. It's all stainless steel, and you can put that right on your burner. And you can cook in it. You don't have to be cooking in the Instant Pot. You can be cooking in this pot, which is stainless steel, insert of the Instant Pot. And the Pro Crisp has the handles with the rubber coating on it. You never get burned. You just pick it right up, and there you go. I think it's a good one. This lid's really, really good. Yep, I like it. I just thought I would show you that. It's a pretty interesting lid. And the whole pot is really good. It can do almost anything. You just have to figure out the settings, is all. And how long to cook things. And there you go. Now it is time to go have a cold one. Some kind of cold drink. And I finished off the soup, so one bowl, that is. Not the whole thing. Alright guys, I'll let you go. See you on the next one.